Hey guys, it's Will, That One Painter, New Orleans. This is just following up the Jenna Street job that we did. We were sealing up some windows that were having some leaking issues. As you can see behind me, this is fully sealed. Brand new window seal. Went all the way up, did all of the glazing, everything in the trim from the backside. This house is ready for storm season. If you've got leaking windows, you want to prevent the wet rot and termites, things like that, give us a call. Will, That One Painter, New Orleans. We fix anything exterior.